Hello there, I am Tigustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue grade 10 lesson which is about using Macromedia Flash 8. How to create a text and graphics using this software and how can we create a motion for the text and the graphics. It is not such difficult to create a motion using this software. It's simple, but to create an attractive and a good text or motion-based graphics, just you have to practice again and again, and it's possible to create by inserting an attractive picture. It's possible to create a motion using this software. Let me demonstrate you here. There we have to choose Flash document. Then we'll have this window feature, Macromedia. On the title bar it says Macromedia Flash Professional 8 Untitled. Every window have a name of a program. The name of program for this particular motion-based, text-based or graphics motion-based creator software, Macromedia Flash Professional 8, and it's not saved, that it is untitled. Here are the menus: file, grab, edit, view, modify, text, command, control, and others. On the left pan, here we have tools. For move tools, selection tool, selection tool. Here we have free transform tool. Every tool has their own properties. There are their own additional property. For instance, when we choose A, the additional option for text tool appeared on the bottom here, on the bottom side. Here additional properties. Every tools have their own actions. For instance, how can we create a text? Here is a timeline, a frame area here. Here is a working area. I have selected text tool. Then let me draw here. Instance view two. Here I have created a text, a simple text. To view the output, just control test move. Now we have no any movement here because it's not created a motion. Let me just select the text. You can change the color here at the bottom side, and you can increase the size here, selecting make 60, or you can make 80. Then how can we create a motion? Again, control plus the alternative way, control on the keyboard plus enter key. We can see the output, but there is no motion again here. To create a motion here, for instance, right click on the frame area here, insert frame. Now we have a frame area for this text, and again right click on that frame 60, then insert keyframe. Then the next step is selection tool. Selecting the selection tool, then move at least some to the front the text. The next step is between 60 and we have a frame line here. Between any area, right click on the frame area, then click on create motion tree. This is the step how to create a motion. When to see the effect, control, test move, or alternative keys on the keyboard, control plus enter says using the keyboard. Click here. As you have seen here, the text is moving forward. You can say for later use this flash file. But let me return back. How can we create a graphics also? It's possible to create also a graphics, not only text. Possible to create also a graphics, motion-based graphics. Let me create oval. Then here now fill the color with this. Fill color. As you have seen, the color is changed. But how can we create a motion here? For instance, the diagram also for the graphics. Just the same to before. Just let me select and move here the text down. Selecting the diagram. Right click on any frame area. Okay. It's possible to create space so on the diagram, the graphics here. Fill color. Let me create a motion for this. Again right click on the frame area, insert frame. Again right click on this area, insert keyframe. Then select the selection tool, move downward or upward. Then only place on the frame area between 60 and 0 or 1, well, I mean 1 and 60. Then create motion tool, control plus enter on the keyboard. As you have seen, it is moving upward. The graphics. Possible also to create motion based graphics easily like this. We can insert from working areas into this software, or we can open image, the already created image or stored image can be inserted into this software, and we can create a motion file. Open, then we can choose the location where our picture is stored. Here to choose all files. Let me insert this diagram. Now free transform helps us to select, then we can diminish the size like this. How can we create a motion here? Right click, insert frame, again right click, insert keyframe, then move the selection, move like this, then right click on between the frame area, create motion twin, control plus enter. You can insert from anywhere the image like this, the same to inserting text. For instance, possible to insert text from Microsoft Word, for instance, using word art, got type here, insert, for instance, insert here. We have a text here, for instance. Uh, you can insert this text easily. Copy, then here edit, paste special. Paste special. Here as you have seen. As you have seen, here it is copy. Now you can create a motion. Right click on any area, insert frame, again right click, insert keyframe, then selection tool, move downward, for instance, downward, here, create motion twin, control plus enter. As you have seen, it is moving down. To create an attractive motion-based text or graphics, you have to practice again and again. For today is enough. Thank you.